Hey guys, what is up? Michal here. Today I would like to have a short look on the activities that are related to my goal of publishing 40 videos until end of the year, and I would like to decide on what I'm going to do further because my main intention was to reduce the time spent on those activities. So I have here the overview of the activities themselves. I have some average time that I feel I'm spending on those activities. Then I have made an assessment for the efforts and the importance, and in one of the videos I have also done the Pareto's evaluation of those activities. Now, important to understand is that by Pareto, I basically, when doing the Pareto Principle, I have basically chosen only the activities that are essential to the goal. So without those, basically the goal wouldn't be even possible. Those are rated as high. So if I go one by one, the first activity I do, I think about what I want to do in the next video, and in average time it's around 20 minutes I'm spending on it, and the effort behind are medium. It's not so difficult to do. Importance is pretty high, at least to my view, because without it I don't have the clarity of what I want to do. The value for the goal, however, is pretty low, because it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, the goal is to publish the videos, to publish the quantity. I'm not focusing on the quality that much. It's more about getting this YouTube thing as a part of my daily life. Nevertheless, I'm gonna keep that. So I'll just say keep, probably to click, right? Keep doing. And this activity is gonna stay. Then thinking about the video title, actually I do that sometimes, and I feel it's more like a waste of time, because at the end of the day, when I'm going to publish, I rethink it a couple of more times. So this is going to be stop doing, and I'll make it red just to make it nicer, right? Okay. Next activity I go is research the topic. I definitely keep doing that. Next one is create some anchoring notes. That really helps me quite a lot, especially when I do the videos that are about some topic, even though it's not difficult, but I like to have some points where I can go back to. So I'm gonna keep that doing as well. Then I think about the visual. Yes, definitely. I actually cannot even avoid that. I somehow keep thinking about what I want to do and how it could look like. The drawing part, so it's essential, right? I cannot do a video without making a video, so I'm gonna keep doing that as well. Setup for recording, actually I did put the lights and try to make it a bit nicer, but it doesn't help that much any case, so I'm gonna skip that and stop doing it for now. I bring the drawing on the big screen. Yes, this helps me a lot to have a guide, and I'm gonna keep doing that because then I'm way faster when I replicate the drawing. Hitting the record button, of course, I have to do that. Replicate the drawing itself, I'm gonna keep doing that. I made the script more in the detail. Well, this is something I'm gonna stop doing because sometimes I try to write the whole thing word to word, but anyway, when I'm recording, I'm changing it, so there is really no point, and the anchoring should be just enough to get away with it. Record the audio, I'm gonna keep doing the audio for my videos. I edit the videos, I'm gonna stop doing that because anyway, as I said, it's more about the quantity and the content quality, and the picture is not that important to me right now. Audio, I'll remove blank spots. Also, I'm gonna stop doing that, so this video is going to get out as raw as it is. I align the video and audio. Not gonna be needed here because I'm doing it kind of live, so I'm gonna keep doing it in case it's needed. Reviewing video, for sure I'll have a look before I publish. Exporting is mandatory, uploading as well, and the description I will put, and publishing is there as well. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activities that amount to 0.2 hour, 0.2 hour, 0.5 hour, which is 0.9 hour now, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour and 6 minutes approximately, which I can save. Let's see if that's gonna work. This video took me now 5 minutes 3 seconds to record, a little bit of thinking. I think it's pretty realistic, so let's see about the next one. I'll see you there. Cheers.